Hi, my name is Dr. Robert, doctorate in education, retired assistant superintendent and college professor. I came to Dr. Jowdy a few months ago basically because of my tinnitus, which is a problem with my ear. And as a result, found out I had some issues with my kidney and liver, inflammation, pre-diabetic, number of issues, health issues that were impeding me. Over the last couple months, I was involved in an 8-day intensive and have done some follow-ups for a couple months, and now I'm on a maintenance program, and have been great results. Lost 20 pounds, a lot more energy. I've learned a lot about the integration of how the human body works through this process, and what's really important, and make sure to not put the cart before the horse, so to speak. But the whole integration, the whole approach has been very beneficial. I highly recommend it to anyone. And I've also noticed a number of patients during my treatment that have come in with some very, very serious issues. One guy came in a wheelchair, taking like 20-some medications, older, couldn't walk, and I was watching him the other day walking up and down the hall as part of his treatment. So yeah, I think it basically stems from inflammation and not being able to process everything through my kidneys and liver. Well, I think fatigue and obviously tinnitus is a result of that.
Yeah.
And
it's organ related, sure.
Organ related and what have you. So, one of the things that I've noticed is I is not as fatigued. I do have more energy, but overall the treatment's been very helpful. Very beneficial. Highly recommend it. The thing I appreciate about Dr. Jowdy is he's able to step back and take a comprehensive view of integration and how everything works. He doesn't do things piecemeal, but he's able to sit back and take a very comprehensive view and see how the body works together and really ascertain what is important in terms of bodily functions, and how everything else is just symptomatic, just symptoms and symptoms of some deeper underlying causes, and he gets right to that cause. The other thing I like about him, he kind of fits my personality. He's very direct, pulls no punches, very honest, very forthcoming, very direct, not at all hesitant to express his opinion.
Hi, my name is Linda, and my husband Bob has been in treatment with Dr. Jowdy, and I'm very grateful. I feel very fortunate that we happen to live in the area, and so it's been very easy for us to take part in Dr. Jowdy's treatment. Bob mentioned, he's lost weight. That was not a goal of the treatment, but it always generally serves a person well to lose weight. So Bob does feel better. And I'm looking forward to working with Dr. Jowdy in the near future. I know I have some health issues that I want addressed, and I feel very confident that Dr. Jowdy is the right person for this. Like Bob said, he takes a comprehensive view. He understands the whole system of the body and the mind. And I'm very, I want to say, impressed, and I've been very enlightened with the way he's educated us about the body and its functioning. And Bob coming here with the tinnitus was a health crisis. A crisis can lead to a deeper healing and deeper ways of reevaluating one's life, and that's what's happened with Bob's tinnitus. And he was treating the underlying causes and conditions. Well, Dr. Jowdy did educate us. He educated us about, yes, the brain remapping and the organ remapping. And I've told Bob that we are very fortunate to be the recipients of this cutting edge work. It's cutting edge. That really is the word that comes to me. And Dr. Jowdy, is a researcher and approaches things scientifically and has studied this, and he's doing cutting edge work. He was informed and educated and presenting the best information for us. I have full confidence in Dr. Jowdy. I really do.